welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna do an update video here on this head unit, the Roadanvi Android head unit on the RAV4. So come on, let's start it. Alright, so on this particular video, what we're gonna tackle is the missing apps when you start using a third-party launcher on the unit. So this may be applicable on other brands that are using a third-party launcher. So on my case, I'm using the Nova launcher, and by doing so, I lost access to some of the apps that the head unit came with, particularly on the Fcam app, which my wife uses. So the Fcam app is basically a button that you press and it manually activates the front camera of the car. So with this one, I install a front camera on this car, which my wife needs. So with this one, she doesn't have access to it. So and I have to search and play around with the settings to gain access to the app. On this case, let's start with pressing the home screen, tap and hold, scroll up, let's click on Nova Launcher, and then we need to tap and hold the activity, drag and drop on the screen, and this list will show up. So on this list, what we need to do is scroll up and look for the one that says main app. So once we see the main app, we need to click on the drop down and it will load another list of apps. If you see here, you have access to aux-in, AV-in, some Bluetooth stuff. Yeah, so it has this all of this information in here, and what we're gonna look is for the Fcam. So there you go, Fcam. We just need to select that, and the shortcut is here now, and we have access to the front camera manually. So the front camera works actually when you're basically shifting to drive from reverse. It will activate the front cam, but sometimes my wife needs to activate it manually, so she needs to press that button. So this will make her life easier basically. And yeah, so if you guys are having issues basically using third-party launchers on your Android head unit, that's the process. Again, let's just do a short recap. Short recap will be tap and hold, scroll up to the widgets, tap and click it, tap and hold activity, drag and drop the icon anywhere you want, go to the main app and select the app or shortcut that you want. So let's try AV-in, and AV-in will be in there. In my case, I don't have anything on my AV plug at the back, so it will show no signal. But other than that, that's how we fix that problem. So if you find this video helpful, please consider unsubscribing. Thank you for watching.